Namaste. Now I am teaching Pranayama. As long as we have breath, there is life. When it becomes storm, life also ends. So, our forefathers developed a new technique to reap complete benefits of breathing. That is Pranayama. Pranayama, there are two words here. Prana means vital force, energy. Ayama means control or development. Therefore, Pranayama is development and control of prana. You know that we are breathing through two nostrils. One is the left nostril and another one is right nostril. In yoga, left nostril is called Chandra Nadi and right nostril is called Surya Nadi. Chandra stands for moon and Surya stands for sun. These nostrils has another name also. Left nostril is called Ida and right nostril is called Pingala. First, you should sit in a comfortable position. You can sit like this in Sukhasana or in Padmasana or in Siddhasana like this. You can sit in comfortable position. You can use even Vajrasana also. You should adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand and Nasika Mudra in your right hand. This mudra is also called Krishna Mudra. You should close the ring part of the right nostril by the right thumb. Now you should breathe through the left nostril. Inhale and exhale through left nostril only. Inhale 5 counts and exhale 5 counts. Chandranuloma Pranayama is 11 times. Advantages of Chandranuloma Pranayama. It maintains the coolness of the body. Therefore, useful in stomach ache, chest burning, heart burning, and bleeding in the nose, boils in the nose, eyes burning sensation, bleeding in the motion, etc., which is caused by overheat of the body.
Chandra Anuloma Pranayama reduces body heat. It's useful in heart burning and stomach burning problems. Very effective in high blood pressure. Useful in typhoid and fever. This pranayama helps in reducing stress, tension and other mental problems. Reduces flow of gall. Helps in mouth ulcer, nose bleeding, biles of the eyes, stomach ache, cracked heels, etc. Whereas coolness is necessary.
How to do Surya Anuloma Pranayama? You should close your left nostril by the right ring finger. Now you should breathe through the right nostril. Inhale and exhale through right nostril. Position is to keep like this. But you can't see that if I do like this. So I kept it like this. I should practice 11 times each. Chandranuloma Pranayama is 11 times and right Suryanuloma Pranayama is 11 times. Next is Suryanuloma Pranayama. It maintains the heat of the body. Therefore, useful in asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, snoring, wheezing, tonsillitis, etc. Whereas heat is necessary.
Suryanuloma Pranayama. This pranayama reduces weight in the body, helps to cure mental depression, anxiety and tension. Most beneficial in lungs related problems like bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia, snoring, tonsillitis, corona, etc. Whereas heat is necessary.
तस्मिन् सति उच्छ्वास प्रश्वासः गतिविच्छेदः प्राणायामः. तस्मिन् सति उच्छ्वास प्रश्वासः गतिविच्छेदः प्राणायामः. Pranayama is regulation of incoming and outgoing flow of breath. You should practice pranayama after completing your asanas. This is the meaning of this stotra. Precaution is better than cure. So take precautions and stay healthy. Happy time.